ADGP, respected Jibcast Honor, Sri Koizamrata Shyam Singh, MPS SP Sandal District, respected President Sri T.I. Santos Luang, General Manager Manitro. Today I am very happy for getting this opportunity. Zealous Academy has proven itself once more that it is worthy of praise by producing 7 position holders in HSLC 2011. In previous years also there were 2 position holders, among which I am one of them, and I am happy that I am part of this Zealous Academy. And as a former student of this academy, I would be failing my duty if I don't praise my teachers who have guided me, who have taught me, who have nourished me very well. I am ever indebted to them, as many of the students are. And I would like to tell my juniors that life is not just about getting marks. You must also know other things like life skills, such as oration. Oration means the ability to speak well in front of a public, such as this one. We must always try to develop these things. Then, to those who will appear matric exam next year, that is 2012, you are very lucky that you have been admitted to this Zealous Academy, because there are many qualified and learned teachers. And I know they won't disappoint you. They will teach you and guide you properly. And you know, in 2012, the world will not end. So study well. Thank you.